Hey, travel friends! Today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we are staying where Gilded Age opulence meets Southern charm. We're at the Jekyll Island Club Resort. The Jekyll Island Club Resort is located on Jekyll Island, one of Georgia's Golden Isles. Jekyll Island is a popular tourist destination known for its golden beaches, miles of beautiful bike trails, cute shops and restaurants, and it's home to one of America's most unique beaches, Driftwood Beach. A beach with gnarled, weathered trees that look like a scene out of a sci-fi movie. And just minutes down the road, we are lucky enough to be guests at the Jekyll Island Club Resort. Arriving here feels like being transported in time. Stepping inside this resort, you can't help but feel the rich history. Jekyll Club started as a club, a private hunting club for the nation's wealthiest individuals. And in 1886, this most exclusive club purchased the Georgian island. And then in 1888, the club officially opened its doors to this magnificent resort for families that represented 1/6 of the world's wealth. The resort flourished through the 30s, then hit hard times during the Great Depression, and the final blow was World War II, when the island was forced to evacuate due to threat of enemy submarines. The hotel sat abandoned until two friends climbed through an unlocked window and fell in love with its deteriorating beauty and brought her back to life in 1987. It's a good one. Come on in. It's a standard room here at Jekyll Island. Very cozy. I think we're on the corner. But it's adorable. There's just so many beautiful touches. I like this wicker armoire that gives us extra space to hang clothes. Two big outdoor umbrellas because we're never that prepared when we pack. Man, for as much as we travel, really, why do we always forget that? All the comforts you need, coffee with real mugs. Fireplace, I don't think it's actually working, but it's adorable. But check out this bed, isn't it beautiful? It looks embroidered. I think that's stamped on. Oh, so nice. And then check out the corner bathroom. And then we have over here just a little sitting area and shuttered windows. I love some wood shutters that look out into the courtyard. We set out to enjoy the resort grounds. Jekyll Island Club is nestled among moss-draped oaks. They have a heated pool, bike rentals, carriage rides, dolphin tours, or grab some lunch on the wharf. We choose to sip champagne on the breezy veranda as we watch croquet being played on the grand lawn. Guests are all in white attire because anything else would be considered uncivilized. The property here is enormous. There are island cottages that are more really like mansions that you could choose to stay in, including San Souci, America's first condominium built in 1896 by J.P. Morgan, who loved the Jekyll Island Club but wanted space from the children and mistresses of the other wealthy elites. The property is also dotted with tiny cottages turned shops. There's also the Georgia Sea Turtle Center. The center offers guests and the public a chance to learn about, but also get to visit with and see turtle rehabilitation in action. We go back to the club to grab a drink at the bar in Boar's Head Lounge. The bar was built in 2000 as a set for the movie The Legend of Bagger Vance. Guests loved it so much, the resort made it permanent. So if not at the bar, where did the titans of industry conduct business? Jim's in the room down the hall to tell us more. All right, Jim, we are in the Federal Reserve room. Can you give me the cliff notes here of what this is? What is the historical significance of this room?
All right, so for history dorks, just before Thanksgiving, 1910, 6 people of historical importance in the financial industry and government and such came down here for a gentleman's duck hunt, which was code for we're going to meet and try and make sure that the run on the banks of 1907 never ever happens again. So out of that meeting, they were here like 9 days, and they established the legislation to establish the Federal Reserve Bank, which is in place today.
Yeah.
So, and important note, Federal Reserve Bank is not run by the government. It is a bank, all right? Yet it sets all the financial rates and all the other things. So that's a whole nother video we can do on all that nonsense.
You need to start your own channel. Mine's about vacation and cocktails.
Nobody will watch it. Maybe put them to sleep. You know. But yeah, important room.
We freshen up for dinner and drive just 5 minutes down the road to Jekyll Island Ocean Club. It's the resort's contemporary oceanfront escape. This is where we had a romantic candlelight meal to the sound of the waves. Mornings at Jekyll Island Club usually start in the grand dining room for a full southern breakfast with a side of grits. We're sad to leave this relic of the Gilded Age, but we'll be back when we want more than just a vacation, but a journey through time.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.